Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take our exercise 9.3, and in this exercise we will study about the multiplication or the product of monomial to the binomial. So coming with the question number 1, carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following. So in first one, this is 4p into, so this will be now q plus r. So 4p का पहले q में करेंगे, so this will be now 4p into q plus 4p का फिर r में, so 4p into r. So this is now monomial into monomial. Now this will be 4pq plus 4p r. So this is answer. Similarly for the second one, this is ab times a minus b. So ab into a minus ab into b. ए बी का पहले ए में किया, फिर ए बी का किस में बी में किया, और माइनस साइन एज इट इज. नाउ दिस इज ए स्क्वायर बी माइनस ए बी स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज आंसर. सो थर्ड पार्ट, इट इज ए प्लस बी टाइम्स, सो दिस इज 7 ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर ए प्लस बी. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 7 ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर इंटू ए प्लस 7 a square b square into b. So this is now 7 a cube b square plus 7 a square b cube. So now coming to the fourth part of this. So it is 4a times a square minus 9. So this will be now 4a into a square minus 4a into 9, 4a into 9. So this is now 4a cube minus 36a. So this is the answer. Now coming to the fifth part, it is 0 into pq plus qr plus rp. So we know 0 into any number is 0. So this will be 0 itself. Complete the table so we can find out this product. This is now first part, we come a into a plus c plus d. So this will be now a into a plus a into c plus a into d. So this will be now a square plus ac plus ad. So this will be now product. Second case, this is now 5xy times, this is x plus y minus 5. So 5xy, so this will be 5xy into x plus 5xy into y minus 5xy into 5. So this will be now 5x square y plus 5x y square minus 5. So 5 into 5, this will be 25x y. So this is our answer. Similarly for the third part of this, this is p times 6 p square minus 7p plus 5. So this will be now p into 6p square minus p into 7p plus p into 5. So this will be now 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Similarly, coming for the fourth part of this. So in fourth part, this is now 4p square q square. This is now p square minus q square times. So this will be now 4p square q square into p square minus 4p square q square into q square. So this will be now 4p to power 4 q square minus 4p square q to power 4. Similarly, coming for the fifth part of this, these are the simplest calculations. A plus B plus C. सो ए बी सी का पहले ए में करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई, ए बी सी इंटू ए प्लस ए बी सी इंटू बी प्लस ए बी सी इंटू सी. So this will be now a square bc plus a b square c plus a b c square. So these are the answers. So coming to the question number 3, find the product. So first part is a square into 2a to power 22 into 4a to power 26. So पहले नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई होगा 4 into 2, so this will be 8, a to power, this is 2 and 2, 24, 24, 26, so this will be a to power 50. Similarly for the second case, this is now 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. सो पहले हम कोफिशिएंट्स का मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 2 बाई 3 इंटू माइनस 9 बाई 10 इंटू दिस विल बी नाउ x का x में करेंगे x क्यूब एंड y का इसमें किया y क्यूब. सो दिस इज 2 1 जा 2 5 जा 3 1 जा 3 माइनस 3, सो दिस इज माइनस 3 बाई 5 x क्यूब एंड y क्यूब. So this is the answer. Now coming to the third part, this is minus 10 by 3 pq cube into 6 by 5 p cube cube. So first of all we will multiply these coefficients, 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into this will be now p to power 4 and q to power 4, because p to power 3 plus 1 4 and 3 plus 1 4. So this is 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10 minus 2. So this is now minus 4 p to power 4 and q to power 4. So this is answer. Now coming to the fourth part of this. So this is x into x square into x cube into x to power 4. So it will be now x to power, all the powers will be added up. This is 1, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. So this is now x to power 10 as answer. Now coming to the question number 4. Question number 4a part. Simplify the following and find out the values for this. So first one is 3x times 4x minus 5 plus 3. So first of all we will multiply 3x into 4x, so this will be 12x square, 3x into 5, so this will be minus 15x and plus 3. So this is the now simplified. Now we will find out the value for x equals to 3. So for x equals to 3, here we will substitute x equals to 3, so this is 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So this is now 12 into 9 minus 45 plus 3. So this will be now 108 minus 45 plus 3. So this is now 111 minus 45. So 111 minus 45, we can subtract this. So this will be now 6 and here it will be 6. And similarly for x equals to half. So for x equals to now 1 by 2, now we will substitute here again, this is now 12x square minus 15x plus 3. We will substitute x equals to 1 by 2, this is 12 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So this is now 12 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So this is 1, this is now 3, 3 plus 3, this is 6. So this is now 6, 3 plus 3, this is 6 minus 15 by 2. So now we can subtract, so this will be 12 minus 15. So this is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the answer for us. Similarly, we will proceed for the b part of this. Now coming to the b part, this is now a times a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. So on simplification, this will be now a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now for a equals to 0, so for a equals to 0, this is first part. So this will be now a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. A की जगह 0 रख देंगे, this will 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. So this will be now 5 answer. Similarly for a equals to 1, so this will be now a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. A equals to 1, so this is 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So this is now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. So this is equals to 8. Now third part, for a equals to minus 1. So this is now a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now this will be minus 1 cube plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 and plus 5. So अभी हमने क्या किया, a की जगह पे minus 1 पुट अप किया. So this is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. So this is now 4. So now coming to the question number 5th. Add first part, add. So now first one is, this is p times p minus q plus q times q minus r plus r times r minus p. So we first of all we simplify, this will be p square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square minus rp. So these are the independent terms, so it will be like this only. Now coming to the second part, this is now again add. So this is now 2x z minus x, 2x z minus x minus y plus this is now 2y. So z minus y minus x. First of all we will open this bracket, so it will be now 2xz minus 2x square, and here it will be minus 2xy plus here it will be now 2yz minus 2y square minus 2yx, or simply we can write xy. Now like terms will be added up. So this is 2xz and any other xz? No. So this will be now 2xz as it is, 2x square as it is minus 2s square minus 2y, xy and xy. So this will be minus 4xy plus 2yz as it is minus 2y square. So this is the answer for us. Now coming to the C part, we need to subtract. So subtraction, this is now 4l 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So from this we need to subtract, so we will take this in the square bracket, it will be easier for us. And next expression is now, this is 3l times l minus 4m plus 5n. So from this expression we need to subtract this. First of all we will simplify this. So this will be now 4 into 10, 40 ln minus this will be now 12 lm and plus 8 l square. Again we will open this brackets. So first of all we will take this expression within the bracket itself. So this will be now 3l into l. So this will be 3l square and this will be minus 4lm and plus 15ln. Now we will open this bracket. So this is 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8l square minus 3l square minus into minus plus 12 lm and minus into plus minus 15 ln. Now like terms will be subtracted up. So 40 ln and 15 ln. So 40 minus 15 will be 25 ln. Similarly, we will come for the next lm, and here it is lm. So 12 lm positive, 12 lm negative cancelled. So 8l square and 3l square. So this will be now plus 5l square. So all the terms are being solved. So this is the answer for us. Similarly, we will take up the next part of this. Now coming to the D part. So again we need to subtract from this expression. So this is now 4c times minus a plus b plus c. So from this expression we need to subtract. So we will take this in the square bracket minus the next is 3a. So this is now 3a times a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c bracket close, and next one is minus 2b. So this is minus 2b times a minus b plus c, a minus b plus c. So first of all we will open this bracket. So this will be now 4 minus 4ac, minus 4c into a minus 4ac, 4c into b. So this will be plus 4bc and 4c into c. So this will be 4c square. So we will take this into the small bracket minus, open this bracket, this will be 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab minus into minus plus 2b square and minus into plus minus 2bc. Now we will open this bracket, or first of all we can even solve this bracket also. So this is ac, bc is all different terms, 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square and minus, now we will solve this bracket first. So this is 3a square as it is, 3ab, any other term ab. So these two, to 3ab minus 2ab. So this will be plus ab itself and ac. So this will be as it is 3ac and this will be plus 2b square and plus minus 2bc. Now we will open this bracket. So this is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 3ac minus 2b square minus 2bc. So now we will simplify this. Now 4ac, ac वाला और भी टर्म है कहीं पे, उसको समराइज कर लेते हैं. Now this is ac. So you solve this 4ac minus 3ac. So this will be minus 7ac. Coming to the bc. So this is now plus 4bc and here it is minus 2bc. So it will be now plus 2bc and c square as it is plus 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square as it is. Now we will come to the ab. So ab as it is, there is no other term for the ab. So this is minus ab. So we have taken all the terms. So this is now final answer for us. So with this we have finished our exercise 9.3. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक जो भी पढ़ाया आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपकी कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे से सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. सो ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.